These are my three lovely little birds in my backyard. That's the photo from yesterday with the mother. They were really happy. I decided to start recording them a few days ago. That's 8:24 this morning, and that's the last time I see them alive. So I need to find out what happened to them. I was in shock. I don't know who took it, and I don't know what happened to them. I need to know that. So I look at my video recording, and at 8:16, look at that, that's the father. Look at that. They're really hungry in the morning. That's what they're doing when their dad or their mother comes back with food. What I have found last few days was the father is more active in searching for the food for them compared to the mother. The mother come back. Oh, there is the mother. So the mother is also feeding them, and the mother will stay a bit longer, making room, and after some few seconds, she will warm them up. And at 8:19, yes, yeah, now she will warm them up. That's what she's doing. So right now everything is normal. Everything is just as another day. Now, yeah, she fly again. She flies away at 8:21. There, the father comes back. Yeah, giving them food for three of them. They open their mouth really wide. Oh, they're so lovely. That's what I want to see them for the next few weeks, next few days, and I want them to see flying and see the world. Now the father is gone, and this is what happened around this time at 8:25. Look at that! Look at that! That big black raven! Oh! Oh no! Oh! Mm. Oh! What did I just see? The black evil raven just take my baby away. Oh, and then the father comes back at 8:34, and look at that. The father is surprised. There is one missing, one baby missing, and he's looking around. And he took the food. He's looking around. Can't do anything to help them. So the father is helpless, and he just fly away again. I think probably to search for food. And after a few seconds, 8:36, that's when it's coming back. No. Oh, look at that. The black raven, it just the big eye. Oh, oh, no. No way. Oh, look at that. Oh, gee. Hmm. All gone. Gone. That's it.